do that. Okay. So this is audit code question number 245555 rather. So let's see. It's called the average value of even numbers that are divisible by 3. So let me read this question out. So given that given an integer array in nums of positive integers, return the average value of all the integers that are divisible by 3. Okay. So so let's see. So from what I understand here, so I'm going to be given an array like this one in the example here, and I'm going to get an average of the numbers which are divisible by 3 and are even. So I mean that I think means that the number should be divisible by both 2 and 3. And let me do a second example. It says that here here I don't think there is any number which is divisible by 3, so I think they're returning the output 0. Right. Okay, let me go and code this up. So this looks pretty straightforward. So I'm just going to initialize two numbers. One is called count to 0, and I'm also going to do sum equals to 0. Then I'm going to for int n in nums. So I'm going to go do this, and here I have to check if n module 2 equals to 0 and n module 3 equals to 0. This means that both of this it is divisible by 3, and it's also an even number, which is the ask given the question. Right. So let's do this. If this is the case, I'm just going to increment my counter. So I'm just going to do count plus plus, and I also have to add this to the sum. So sum plus equals to n. So I'm going to do this. Right. So then I want to return the average, right? The sum divided by count. I think there's a special case that we have to handle here, that is count. If we don't find anything, count equals to 0, I'm going to return 0. If not, I'm going to return this. I think this looks good to me. So let me just go ahead and run this. Oh, it's accepted. So let's go and submit this.